discover how textiles can transform your living room into a cozy and warm space in this inspiring YouTube video. From plush throw blankets and decorative pillows to soft area rugs and drapes, learn how to incorporate different textures and fabrics to create a welcoming atmosphere. Get creative ideas for mixing and matching patterns and colors to elevate the comfort and style of your living room. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to show you this newly uploaded video. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how textiles can create coziness and warmth in the living room. Textiles are fabrics that can be used for various purposes, such as upholstery, curtains, rugs, pillows, throws, and more. They can add color, textures, pattern, and comfort to any space, making it more inviting and appealing. Textiles play an important role in interior design and home decor. They can help you create a cozy and warm atmosphere, especially during the colder months. They can also reflect your personal style and preferences, making your living room more unique and cozier. So, how can you use textiles effectively in your living room? Here are some tips and ideas to consider. Choose warm colors and materials. Warm colors such as shades of red, orange, and yellow can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in the living room. They can make the space feel vibrant and energetic while also providing a sense of comfort. You can also choose warm materials such as wool, cotton, flannel, and fleece, which are natural and cozy fabrics that can keep you warm and snug. You can use warm colors and materials for your curtains, rugs, pillows, throws, and more. Layer and mix textiles. Layering and mixing textiles can create a rich and cozy look in the living room. You can layer different types of textiles, such as curtains, rugs, pillows, and throws to create a plush and comfortable space. You can also mix different textures, patterns, and styles of textiles, such as velvet, fur, plaid, and floral, to create a dynamic and interesting space. You can use layering and mixing to create contrast, harmony, or focal points in the living room. Personalize and accessorize textiles. Personalizing and accessorizing with textiles can make the living room cozier and warmer by adding your own touch and flair to the space. You can personalize your textiles by choosing fabrics that reflect your hobbies, interests, or memories. For example, you can use textiles that features your favorite quotes, images, or symbols. You can also accessorize your textiles by adding embellishments such as tassels, pompons, or buttons to make them more fun and playful. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video on how textiles can create coziness and warmth in the living room. I hope you learned some tips and ideas on how to use fabrics to make your space more comfortable and attractive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on home decor and design. Also, let me know in the comments below what kind of textiles you use in your living room, and how they make you feel. I would love to hear from you. If you need more help or have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next video. Bye for now.